hair and makeup, and I have to go to Target later on today to get the other half of my sister's gift for her birthday. And then I'm also going to attempt to do a DIY project and also have to bake a cake tonight and then to have it ready for tomorrow to decorate for my sister's birthday. But yeah, let me show you what I want to try and do. There's Jax. Say hi, Jax. Okay, so I got a couple of these tank tops at Walmart for like $3. I got 2 white ones, and then I got like this light pink one, which I wanted to do white tie-dye on this one, but I think you have to use like bleach for that. But these ones I bought like this pink tie-dye. It was like $2, and I think you could do up to like three shirts on there. And then this one I bought like a blue, but however this one I wanted like kind of like this pink tie-dye on here, but I think I'm gonna have to take out a little bit of the dye to make it a little lighter, but we'll see what happens. Either way, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do that. So that one's Moo, and that's Jax, my dog. That one's my sister's dog. Where's a cute little puppy? Okay, so what I did was I put down a big trash bag, and I have like a smaller one right here, and then the instructions said to wet the shirt so it's like damp. And then I have the rubber bands, and I put some water in the dye, but it's like leaking. I don't know from where, but. And then I have some gloves to put on. So it seemed pretty easy on the, like I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, so it seemed kind of easy, but who knows, we'll see. Not that good for my first tie-dye project, but I mean, I don't really know if they kind of came out of the rubber band, so like I don't know how they're gonna turn out. I'm gonna leave them there for like it said between like 8 to 24 hours, but I'm just gonna leave them for like 8 hours just to see how they come out, and then I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna try and wear one tomorrow. So, bye, Jack. See you later. Bye. Bye, Mo. Okay. Okay, so I'm at Target and hopefully gonna find the other half to my sister's gift. I got half of it, but I just need a couple more things because I'm not satisfied. But yeah. This is my favorite section at Target, the dollar section. How cute. I actually hate summer, but I love looking at summer clothes and like bathing suits and stuff. Actually, I really like this one. Okay, so it's currently around 6 o'clock and I got back from the store a little while ago. I guess I'll do like a little mini haul of what I got. I got a lot of stuff. But these are actually how the... Jax. These are how the shirts turned out. I actually really like them. I put them in the dryer and everything, so I think they came out really cute. This one, I wish it was a little lighter, but I mean, I think it looks super cute. And this is the... Okay, so I just want to show a little bit of what I got at, we ended up going to Target and to Walmart. So, yeah, I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so at Walmart, I got this cute, like, cherry. It's like a short sleeve cherry top. I thought that was really cute. So and it was only like $7. And then I also got some stuff that I'm gonna use to put on my sister's cake for tomorrow. So I got these rock candies, these lollipops, oh, I found these in the clearance section, blending sticks for like drawing and stuff, so I want to get back into drawing. And then I got some hot pink forks, cake plates, and a table cover. I think that's all I got at Walmart. And then at Target, and I got these for part of my sister's gift. I also got her like a candle and a pajama set, but I got this cute lunch pail. And I found all of these like in the front like dollar aisle. A sleeping mask to go with her pajama set. I got these cooling packs to go with the lunch pail. I found these lip balms. This is a silicone straws. You can like reuse them. And then I got like this cute cup to put in there. They had really cute bags, summer bags, for $1. I also got these 2 bags because I'm like a big collector on gift bags. I don't know why. I love gift bags. And then this really cute tissue paper. It's like watermelon. And then, oh, these were super cute. These were only $1. They're like little, I was thinking about putting them like something like up here or something, putting like a flower in them. So I got 2 of those, one pink and then a gray one. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Okay, so I'm going to start to make the cake for my sister's birthday tomorrow.
Cause it was painless. When you were here, I felt weightless. You were my exhilaration. And I might never let you go. When you were lost, I was found. When you gave up, I fell down. But I waited. Oh, I thought we'd escape it. Without you, I'm breaking. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? 'Cause I'm here and I want to be with you. 'Cause it was painless when you were here. When you were here.
So this is how the cake turned out. What do you think, Angel? It's your birthday cake.
It's so beautiful. I really love it.
I mean, it's not perfect, but it's like a little candy cake. I think it's so cute.
It is perfect.
All the colors. Yeah. Say bye, Jack. Say bye. Bye, Mo. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.